Looking for the best moving blankets? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 moving blankets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Max Moving and Packing Blankets. Padded with virgin cotton batting and feature a polyester binding to offer both superior protection and increased durability. Stitching is designed to hold cotton in place so the padding is consistent across the entire blanket. A set containing 1 dozen 80 inches by 72 inches quilted shipping blankets that offer dual-sided protection. Dual-sided protection. Some users noticed that the blankets arrived with a faint musty odor. At number 2. Stalwart Moving Blanket. Dual-sided and designed to last. Quilted tarp design can be used for more than just moving, with activities such as picnics and soundproofing. Thick, but not too heavy. This durable, quilted moving blanket is made with recycled cotton padding. Some report threads fray easily. Only one blanket, so it could be expensive to buy all you need for a move. At number 1. Max Moving Blanket. A reversible moving blanket, navy blue on one side and black on the other. Besides packing, it can be used to help with noise reduction, serve as a tarp for painting, be placed beneath furniture before sliding, or be used to build a fort for the kids. A single moving blanket that weighs approximately 2¾ pounds that can be used in a variety of ways. Most versatile. Some users felt that these blankets were not quite as thick as they were hoping. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.